This rivet nut tool comes in a set that gives you everything you need to apply corrosion-resistant rivets that will not deform. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. In the package, you get the tool itself, instructions, 2 big boxes of rivet nuts, both in metric and imperial. There are 290 total rivet nuts here. This is good for small jobs and large jobs and everything in between. And then all these individual mandrel sizes in addition to the install wrench. Inside each one are 2 pieces. This piece is sized for that specifically. Just be aware the tool ships with the M8 version already installed, so this box will be empty on the first one. That's what it's telling you here. In this example, I have 2 plates that kind of give a little bit. If I want to lock these down solid so they'll never move, I can use a rivet nut. Push this in. Now that rivet is on there. It is not coming off. This is a heavy-duty tool. It is built to last. The rubber handles make it easy to grip, and all of this leverage. There is a lot of force happening over this entire span. Even the largest rivets install easy because of all of this mechanical advantage this tool gives you.